Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. This SUV came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or anything wrong. Let's move on to the driver, fender, and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the driver's side doors. Okay, the front and back door look very good. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on them at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the back of the SUV. Okay, the trunk has no scratches. The back bumper looks perfect. Everything here is in excellent condition in the back and the driver's side, so everything is spotless right now. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Perfect. No scratches on this quarter panel, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look now at the passenger side doors. Okay, both of these doors look spotless. I do not see any scratches or dents on them at all. Let's take a look at the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. No dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Alright, that seat looks really good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. Let's move on to the back seat. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also backup camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that everything here looks fine. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.